Akshay, in terms of investment made into the certification program, do you think you have reaped the benefits, or have you recovered the investment of time and money, whatever you did in the program?
Yes, I would say absolutely. Right from, when I was done with this course and I was associated with you, I would say that within a span of 1 or 2 months, my return would be about, say 10x. The major reason being that, I got into a lot of school assignments, and this was something before associating I could not do because, like I said, we were doing a lot of career tests and psychometric tests manually. So for me to, take up a project of, say, conducting a test for 1,000 children would become a very, very big, task wherein I'd need a lot of team members to do it. But, with the automated tools that you offer, it was just a matter of 1 hour wherein we could just conduct this activity, produce the reports to them, within a couple of hours. So that saved a lot of my, time. And I would say maybe if I was a bit hesitant in taking up big projects earlier, I wasn't anymore. So that had been a very big advantage. And speaking about taking up school projects, definitely being a certified career counselor gives you an edge to be recognized among schools. They also feel you are quite authentic and just don't hold a general, degree which doesn't cover too much about, say, a relevant career guide tools. That was one thing. And then second of all, I think this, very well when I had called you saying that, I've gotten a really big project with an XYZ school, but I don't have enough, human resources to cover it. So we could immediately just connect to the other counselors in the group, and so many of them volunteered to be a part of our project. So I think that was great. That kind of collaboration actually encourages you to, take up so much more work than you could think of.
Yeah, that's amazing.